Hi everybody and welcome to Raimondo Lee Travel. So we are stopping at the Novotel at Birmingham International Airport. We arrived to check in. We were a little bit early, so we had to wait until our room was ready. And the staff did seem to do a changeover first. So we just had to wait around a little bit, which wasn't too bad. And this is where you would come for your breakfast should you have it as part of your deal or if you paid extra for it. And I'll just show you the times here. I'll freeze it so you can see. So I'm just going to show you the room tour now, folks. Right, hi everybody. So we're in a Novotel, which is right next to Birmingham International Airport in England. So I'm going to show you quickly the room that we've got. We've got a family room for 4 people. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is there's a toilet, and then you've got this rather impressive mirror, and then you've got loads of wardrobe space here, a safe should you need to use it, and an ironing board. There's your ironing board. So we're coming through. The next bit is obviously the bathroom, which is got an overhead shower in the bath, as you can see, and then your sink. Complimentary hand wash and body lotion should you need it. Obviously you use the hand wash all the time. And then you come in. Right, you don't get the wine. The wine is ours. You do get the kettle. You do get coffee and tea bags and cups. And we have got, I do believe, a fridge. So we have got a mini fridge, and you do get in these mini fridges complimentary water. So not the boost, not the coffee, but you do get complimentary still water. We noticed this from the sign, complimentary water. So quite surprised with that. We thought we'd have to pay for that. So yeah. Got some water, and then we've got a double bed, as you can see, and then a smaller twin bed, which is I think a sofa bed, so that would fold out to a sofa. I think that's a light over there, that tall thing.
Yeah.
And pretty decent sized TV if you want to watch TV, if you want a night before you fly. And then obviously outside is very boring. You have the multi-storey car park and the monorail, which you're going past now. At the back where we are, we're at the back of the hotel, not at the front, at the airport entrance. So yeah, that was a quick look at the Novotel. So if you're looking for a cheap, well, I won't say it's that cheap, it's not mega cheap, but what do we pay for this, Shelley? £100 for the night? We paid £120 for the night, but we are literally, a 2-minute walk to the airport. Not even that, it's literally over the road, so you walk straight in, which is ideal because we need to be checking in just after 4 AM. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. So that's it, folks. Not a lot more to show you really. The beds are comfortable. We didn't have a breakfast. We actually get into the airport early in the morning, and the entrance is right opposite arrivals, so yeah, and right next to the monorail station if you go into the NEC. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And if it did help you, please do consider a super thanks. That would be massively appreciated. So thank you very much and goodbye.